how to transfer crypto from BidGet Exchange to BidGet Wallet. So in order to transfer the crypto from BidGet Exchange, first of all, you need to open the BidGet Exchange application on your device. After opening, you just simply need to tap on Assets. And just tap on Assets. And here tap on Spot. And here just tap on Withdraw. And here you need to select the coins. So you may just select any of this. I'm going to select Bitcoin for now, and I'm going to go with on-chain withdrawal process. After that, here you need to enter the withdrawal network. You may just choose the network that is already shown here, Bitcoin, or you may just choose any of an other. And here you need to enter the withdrawal address from the BidGet wallet, and after that you need to just enter the amount and get further with the process of the withdrawal. So in order to choose the address, get the address and copy it and paste it here, you just need to go to BidGet Wallet app. After getting here, you just need to simply tap on deposit option here and go on deposit digital asset. Just tap on receive, and here just select Bitcoin since we choose that as our network. And here you need to just simply copy the code, or you may just simply use the QR code, or you may just copy the code below the QR code and get back to the app and just paste it here and just enter the withdrawal amount. And that's how you basically transfer crypto from BidGet Exchange to BidGet Wallet. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.